Welcome back, everyone, and good Thursday morning. So with all the wind that we've had the last couple of days, that has brought a significant warm-up to the Treasure State. So this morning in north central Montana, the temperatures are a much different story than southwestern Montana. You can see right now in Helena, 26 degrees. That's a big difference from 43 degrees in Great Falls. So 40s for north central Montana. But although it's a little bit chillier in other spots, we have warmed up almost statewide. Only one spot has gotten a little colder. That's Bozeman. 1 degree colder than it was yesterday morning. But other areas in the state looking at a significant warm up from yesterday morning, at least by a couple of degrees. So an easier start this morning, and it is going to be a warmer afternoon as well. Now, north central Montana and east of the divide, it's going to stay dry, but you can see a little bit of moisture in northwestern Montana, west of the continental divide, plus lots of moisture in the Pacific Northwest and to our northwest, but that's going to stay out of our hair for a couple of days here. So there is already a winter weather advisory for northwestern Montana. That's west of the divide. That won't be making it over the divide. Our main concern is going to be this wind here for today, and this high wind warning still in effect today, and that's going to stay in effect until tomorrow evening. So that wind really sticking around for the Rocky Mountain front along the High Line as far as Havre and as far south as Livingston. So very strong winds in this area, and that will continue again until tomorrow evening. So today already the winds have been pretty strong, but that really picks up in the afternoon and then continuing overnight tonight into tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be another very windy day, but then that will start to taper off by tomorrow evening and into Saturday. Things still sticking around, a breeze still kind of sticking around for the Rocky Mountain front, still fairly breezy, but it is going to be much calmer than it has been, or it will be today and tomorrow. But we are going to stay dry, so the wind is really the only issue we're looking at east of the divide until later in the weekend. So you can see these wind barbs, kind of the yellow and orange wind barbs, very strong winds east of the divide, but west of the divide is where that snow is going to stay. So for today and tomorrow, some of the passes could get a little bit of snow. Mariah's Pass certainly going to get some snow. Rogers Pass could get a little bit of snow. There's a very slight chance of that, but not a huge amount of snowfall is going to be falling. That's mainly going to stay again west of the divide and northwest of Montana. So tomorrow, that wind sticking around and the snow staying out of our area. Saturday is going to be a fairly calm and clear day. Not a high wind warning in effect for Saturday, and we're going to stay dry through Saturday, but lots of moisture coming our way for Sunday. So you can see all the snowfall that's really setting up to move in for the beginning of next week. Sunday we have a chance of snow, and then Monday and Tuesday into the beginning of the following week, that is when we're going to see snow, possibly a mix of rain and snow, and even some rain in there. So kind of up and down with the snowfall and the rainfall. So here's the 7-day forecast. We're staying pretty warm here through the end of the work week and to the beginning of the weekend. Saturday not looking too bad out there with a little bit of sunshine, even though the temperatures will be a little bit cooler than they will be today, but it is going to be sunny, so that's pretty nice. The snowfall staying out of here until Sunday afternoon and evening, and then next week starting off a little bit gloomy, but just trying to stay positive about that nice weather we've got this week. Some warmer weather. Certainly doesn't look or feel like January out there right now.
It doesn't. There's so many reasons. I don't know why, I guess, to pinpoint any of them, that it doesn't necessarily feel like the new year.
I know.
Maybe because I went to bed on New Year's Eve instead of going out to enjoy it. But boy, those warm temperatures are not helping.
I know. It's not bad, though.
But it's not bad, that's for sure. Katie, thanks.